We're going to go ahead and hook up this this pump, the submersible pump, to the cold water side. It's going to pull the water back to the system from the pool. And all we're going to do, this particular fitting here, we custom make to fit on this pump. So when you get your entire system, the pump will have the fitting on it and ready to go. It has to be adaptable for the hose. Okay, so this particular hose is custom made to fit onto this fitting, and I'm just going to snug that. You can take a pair of pliers and snug it just a little bit if you like. Don't tighten it too much. I'm just going to drop it down in here. Drop it down in the water. You want it to sit flat on the floor of the pool. It can't be sitting on its side. Okay. Now we're going to plug this in. And you know, you always want to plug this. You don't want to turn the pump on, or you don't want to turn your fire on out of the pool heating system and the heat until you have water running through the system, because that's what cools everything, and that's obviously what heats the water. But we're heating the water with 420,000 BTUs of heat, which is a lot. So you always want to have the water circulating through the hose, through the system, and back to the pool. Now we're going to plug this in. It should be ready to go. And it'll take a few minutes for it to circulate through all of this cold water hose, going all the way out back to the front of the house, through the system, and all the way back through the black hose that you see laying here. And it's going to come right out over there, and once the water starts coming out right there, you know that you've got good water circulation coming all the way from the pool all the way through the system and back. Now it takes a couple of minutes for that to happen. I mean, you're talking about 175 feet of hose multiplied times 2, because you got whatever hose you've got strung out for your cold and then what you got for your heat. But it'll start coming out of there in just a minute.